everyone. I'm sorry. I missed a couple days of Renee-mas. I know. Trust me, I felt so guilty for missing a couple of uploads, but oh my gosh, finals were the amount of work. I legitimately gave myself arthritis for like 2 days because of the amount of like typing and writing that I was doing, and it was just so painful. And oh my god, how did I get this like red stuff on my finger? And I am so sorry about that, but we are back today. I know I feel like I've posted a lot of Bath & Body Works videos back to back, but truthfully they're the easiest to film. I'm still working. If I wasn't working, I was studying, and I finally just allowed myself to completely die. I even just developed another little rash. Like, it's funny that after finals like officially ended, the little rash, stress rash, popped up. So yeah, it's been not fun, and I feel totally bad for missing a couple of uploads. So I'm gonna have a proposal at the end, so stick tuned because I really need your guys' input. But let's go ahead and talk about my Bath & Body Works Project Pan update. This is the last update that I'm doing, and the next one is gonna be the finale. If you don't know how things work here on my channel, if you're new, every end of the year for the last 2 years, this is going to be the 3rd year, I kind of rally up all the items I've used up in a year, and it kind of puts into perspective how much waste or how much I use, and it kind of makes me feel really bad, but it's with reason, so I can try to find some alternatives. And I feel like I was slowly getting better, but because this year has been like, I don't know, it's been kind of weird, I feel like I'm gonna feel really bad, but we're not going to talk about that in this video. It's going to be the next one. So let's go ahead and talk about the items that I finished up since my last update. So the first item I ended up finishing is my Ardent Candle Cactus Blossom candle. This was like my power horse candle during final season. Like, if I was studying, if I was writing a paper, if I was doing research on whatever research topic I had, this was burning. It's a good, nice, light scent. It's way better, but very reminiscent of the Bath & Body Works Cactus Blossom. Yeah, Cactus Blossom. It smells like that, but not from a corporation. And I'm gonna put this in my empties, but now this is done, I'm dying to use this as a little jar. Like, just put like your sugar in there or a spice. Like, it's gonna look so cute just like that. Gonna have to go through extensive cleaning though, because you know, it's a candle. But I'm very excited to use it, and I'm a little sad that they don't have like this packaging anymore. Of course it looks more professional now that they don't have this packaging anymore, but I love the idea of reusing this. So that's just going straight into my empties. The next item I thought I wasn't gonna finish until my finale, but I actually ended up managing to finish it, and it was the French Lavender and Honey Lotion. You guys, I've said the spiel where I haven't been like super into scents like the last couple of months. I just liked lighter scents, so I was going for more like, this is a light scent to me. Like, I don't know what happened, but I basically was just using it on my legs. I was just in a mood for a lighter scent on my legs. Like, I didn't want to be like a cloud of scent, which is totally what I go for sometimes, but I don't know. I think it might just been like the stress from finals that I just don't want like too many like sensors. Like, I was drinking 5 to 6 cups of coffee a day this final season. I don't think I've ever gotten that bad. So I'm slowly weaning myself off caffeine, and I think I just didn't want too many things like aggravating me because my senses were like hyper aware. So I ended up using this up, which I didn't think it was gonna happen, like I said. And I was about halfway through the bottle last time, and if you guys have been watching my updates, this has been moving painfully slow, but I finished it, and now it can go into my empties. My Country Apple bathroom spray that I've been using in the bathroom, I only use this once. I basically put holiday room sprays in my bathroom, so that's what I've been using. I think one time I was like, okay, let me go ahead and use it, but I've mentioned a bazillion times before, I'm not in a rush to finish this. This was probably get used up in 2021, which is totally fine as long as, you know, I get my money's worth out of this, which was like, what, nothing? basically nothing at this point because it's been that long. So we're still down to here. I'm probably not going to mention it in the next update because I feel like there's no point since it won't be finished. But yeah, I basically only used this once. Are we surprised? No, it's December. It's December. Up next, I have my other lotion that was in here, which is my Winter Candy Apple Lotion. I did put this in the last update. Just like slower progress with this, which I'm a little bit surprised, and I think it's just because I've been using lotions that don't have that much scent, not necessarily that are in this project, but I don't know, I just didn't want my, like usually when you have like a scent, like if you're very stressed out and you wear like a scent, like it makes you happy, but because like I was so stressed for like a long period of time, I just didn't want like the feelings of like unhappiness and like tiredness to be associated with that. So I think, I know it's the way that like my brain works. Like I want to be happy when I'm wearing this. I don't want to wear this and be like, oh my god, I hate life, like oh my god, I'm sleep deprived, because that's how I was feeling. So a lot slower progress, but I mean, come on, this will be gone by the next update. Like, hello, how many times do I have to say it? So Winter Candy Apple, yeah, I'm about a third of the way done. I wouldn't be surprised if I finished it, honestly, now that finals are over and school is over and I can finally have a break because I've been dying. And then the other Winter Candy Apple Lotion was my Fine Fragrance Mist in the travel size. It's a little bit hard to see because it's like a very thick metallic-y packaging, but if I'm able to shine a light like on the bottom, I'm able to see where it's at. So before, oh, I didn't realize I rubbed off the line. So the last update, I was right where the apple is. I could still see like the little remnants of the line that was right there, but now I'm down to the middle of Winter Candy Apple. Again, I was still using it, but I wasn't using it as much because, you know, just too much was going on that I didn't have time to think about this, truthfully. But honestly, I would not be surprised if I finished this. Plus it's like a little fine fragrance mist. I only have 1.5 ounces left and it's only mid-December, and now I can really think about like spraying it and enjoying it because my mind doesn't have to focus on biology and chemistry and math. I can just focus on like the things that aren't that important but like make us happy, like smelling good. So yeah, I know this is going to be a quick little update. I do want to get this up before I actually have to work and maybe record one more video, but like I said, I have a proposal for you guys. If you guys want it, press wait, my feelings won't be hurt if you don't. So because I've missed a couple days of uploads, and I know that a lot of you guys like the consistent uploads and voted for consistent uploads, how do you guys feel about me extending, you know how everyone stops on the 25th, it's like every day till the 25th, how do we feel about me extending that into January? Maybe not like everyday uploads or just like straight, because that's a little bit of a burnout, but usually if people are doing like the 25 days in like the first 25 days of December, they only do like 1 or 2 afterwards because they need a break. I would be doing more than that, so I would be doing at least every other day. Let me know if that's what you would want. This is my way to make it up to you guys for missing a couple of days of Renee-mas. If you would like that, go ahead and leave a bunch of winter emojis in the comment section down below. So it could be like Winter Candy Apple. Literally, just put a snowflake, a candy, and an apple. Or just like a bunch of like winter things. If you don't have emojis, you could just say that like, yes, I want more uploads. Continue Renee-mas past Christmas. So do let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful but safe holiday season, regardless of it may be different than what it normally is, but I hope you guys are still having a magical time, even at home. And I will see you guys on my next one.